Welcome back, students. I'm now looking at the third column, and all of these exercises begin with the third finger. And now we're going to get into some difficulty. The third finger and the fourth finger. I think I've mentioned before, it's not as easy to articulate between the two as it is between one and two. An example was in one of my classes we had Carol the drum. And so many students found that difficult that he says, we'll change it from 4, 3, 4, 1 to 2, 1, 2, 4, 3. 3 was it. Because these two fingers are easier to manipulate. But here we go with 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. So it's mixed up even more. And we'll do this row, and we'll start again on the 6th string. And these are all starting with 3. 1, 2 from the top. Again, I'll slow it down. I'll slow it down for everyone concerned. This is this is a little trickier because it's 3, 3. Then you move it from there, and every possibility is shown here. 1, 2, once again. Okay, and the best idea would be to do the first one on all 6 strings. In other words, do this one 4 times. Etc. Have fun.